Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your very own virtual private cloud or VPC in AWS. If you remember from the last lesson, a VPC is like having your own private section of the AWS cloud where you can launch and manage resources such as EC2 instances, databases, and networking components. Now, it's time to get hands-on and create one from scratch. Let's dive in. The first step is to log into your AWS Management Console. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top of the console and type VPC. Click on VPC from the results, and this will take you to the VPC dashboard. By default, AWS automatically creates a default VPC for every account, but in this video, I'll show you how to create a custom VPC so you can have full control over your networking environment. To get started, click the Create VPC button. Now, let's set up our VPC settings. First, give your VPC a name that's easy to identify. I'll call mine My VPC, but you can choose any name that makes sense for your setup. IPv4 CIDR block. This defines the range of IP addresses that your VPC will use. I'll enter 10.0.0.0/16, which provides a large number of available IP addresses, making it a great choice for most environments. IPv6 CIDR block. AWS allows you to enable IPv6 if needed, but for now, I'll leave this disabled since IPv4 is still the most widely used. Tenancy. This determines whether your instances will run on shared hardware or dedicated hardware. The default option uses shared infrastructure, which is cost-effective. Unless you have a specific need for dedicated resources, I recommend leaving it as default. Once everything is set, click Create VPC. AWS will take a few seconds to provision your VPC. Once the VPC is created, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, let's verify that everything looks good. In the VPC dashboard, locate the VPC section. You should see your newly created VPC listed here with the name you assigned. Check the CIDR block to confirm it matches what was entered. And that's it. You've successfully created your very own VPC. Now that the VPC is set up, we're ready to start configuring its networking components. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to create subnets within your VPC so you can organize your resources effectively. We'll also discuss public and private subnets and how they impact network security. Great job completing this hands-on demo. I'll see you in the next video.